Welcome back to Booze on the Rocks. My name is David Edwards and I'm your host. And today we are going to use these to make the Appletini. But first, this. All right, let's get into the history of the Appletini. The Appletini was originally named the Adam's Apple Martini after its creator, Adam, from 1996 at Lola's West Hollywood restaurant. Part punchline, part guilty pleasure. It was always the happy person's drink, less so than really not the cool person's drink. When we look at film, we can see that the Appletini was a go-to drink for Dr. John Dorian in Scrubs from the hit medical drama. It was also Mark Zuckerberg's drink in The Social from 2010, but currently it can be seen on Mr. Iglesias as the drink of Principal Shepherd, as played by Maggie Shepherd at Paul Madison. Let's get into making the Appletini. So first, need my mixing glass. And we need 2 shots of vodka. I have a Stolichnaya, which is a Polish vodka. It's a potato vodka. And 2 shots being 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. We need 1 ounce of sour apple liqueur, and today we're using Sourpuss sour apple. And we need 1 ounce. Da-da-da. Give us that nice green look. I need ½ an ounce of lime juice. Okay, so I'm just gonna move these over here, put this here. And that should be 1 squeezed lime. Look, I'm getting better at that. And I need 1/4 ounce or about 7 to 8 mils of a simple syrup. Now to do that, we can just use a bar spoon. Oops, it's a bit much. Oh well. Okay, now we're gonna shake this with some ice. And we're gonna shake this for about 20 seconds. And you know what I didn't do? I didn't put any ice in my martini glass to chill my martini glass. My bad. So for all the purists out there, sorry. We're gonna use our Hawthorne strainer and we're gonna strain this as we're getting that nice green look. And now we're going to garnish with some apple and a maraschino cherry. So I'm just going to move that here. And so I'm going to, because my apple is browning up slightly, I'm just going to trim that off nicely. Yes, I've had to take a few takes of this because I completely screwed up the very first one I did. In fact, it was so bad because I'd written down the recipe wrong. So we need 3 little wedges. I said 3 little wedges, not 3 chunks. Da, 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 da. ASMR, ASMR. Ah, shit. Well, I got a maraschino cherry. And we're gonna put this on here. As you can tell, this has been one of those drinks that has completely messed me up. And we're gonna put this here and it looks nice and pretty. All right, let's see how it tastes, shall we? You know what? Apple smells good, maraschino cherry smells good, but let's see how it tastes without these. Smells good, smells a lot better than the last one I made. Much better. Yes. All right, so you can taste the apple, you can taste a little bit of the vodka. You really don't taste much of the simple syrup. I seriously got to clean my table. And you know what? Let's give that a bit of a stir. See if adding the fruit in makes a difference in the taste. That's good. I like this. It's probably on my B list of drinks. And but I can definitely see it's kind of light, it's good, it's tasty, it's kind of refreshing, and it's not a really heavy punch to the face with alcohol. So I'm going to put the ingredients in the description below. Please, if you're new here, like and subscribe to this video and hit the bell so you can get more notifications. And if you don't like this, hit the thumbs down button twice. We'll see you next time.